A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Oh, you caught me practicing the alphabet song. Hello, everyone. It's Teacher Pina here. I'm here with a very special message about our phonics classes. At Aiminuo Academy, we offer phonics classes using leading curriculum. And one of the best is Oxford Phonics World. Oxford Phonics is the first step on a student's journey into English, leading young learners through all 44 sounds in the English language. This 5-level phonics course can be used before or alongside core course curriculum. Our classes include games, puzzles, and animations that reinforces learning in a fun, hands-on, and interactive way. Just remember, as a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one single step, so the journey of learning English begins with phonics. In Aiminuo Academy's phonics classes, beginner English students receive the following benefits. Number 1, thought-provoking and engaging activities that let all students actively apply what they learn. They learn to really read, not just memorize words and sounds. Attractive animated videos introducing students to over 150 phonics friends, such as Angry Apple, a Big Bear, and other exciting characters. Action songs, chants, and games. Children learn how to read by learning to pronounce sounds step by step. Number 2, a unique journey strip at the bottom of each textbook page to show the sounds already learned. Number 3, organized and colorful review sections that allow students and teachers to see progress. And number 4, all levels include alphabet cards, a workbook, and fun illustrated readers, and much, much more. We look forward to seeing you and your child in our phonics classes very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.
Hello everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell notification button